In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT's slow responses. Let's get started. If you notice your active chat is getting sluggish, it could be due to a long conversation history. To resolve this, I click on the specific thread from my recents list to open it. I then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the conversation to reach the prompt field. Here, I type a text instruction asking the assistant to create a detailed context and handoff summary that can be copied into a new chat. I click the Send Prompt button to execute it. This allows me to cleanly transition my workflow. Once ChatGPT generates the summary, I scroll through the output, go to the bottom of the response, and click the Copy Response icon. With the information saved to my clipboard, I navigate back up to the top left of the sidebar and click New Chat. In the Fresh text box, I paste the copied summary and hit the Send Prompt button. A brand new, fully responsive chat session will start, resolving any previous slowdowns. If the application remains slow, the issue might be related to account session issues. I navigate back to the sidebar, locate my profile menu at the bottom, and click on it. From the pop-up options, I choose to log out. I then click Log Out once more on the confirmation box. This completely resets the session. Next, I click on the sign-in prompt for my Google account, confirm my selection, and log back into the interface. If this doesn't improve the response time, I can check if OpenAI is experiencing systemic issues. I open a new browser tab, search for OpenAI status, and click on the official status link. Here, I can expand the ChatGPT menu to inspect the current uptime logs for any major outages. If the platform is fully operational but still lagging, clearing specific site data often helps. I navigate back to the main tab, click the connection settings icon directly inside the browser's address bar, and select Cookies and Site Data. From there, I click Manage on-device site data, hit the delete icon next to chatgpt.com, and click Done. Alternatively, I can click the address bar settings icon again, choose Site Settings, and click Delete Data. I confirm by clicking Delete on the pop-up window, then close the Settings tab. After refreshing the page, I can log back in by clicking the Login button, choosing Continue with Google, entering my email address, and confirming the re-authentication sequence. If requested, I quickly pass the verification puzzle, type in my password, and hit Next. Once the application reloads, the interface will be completely refreshed. As a final tip, using a dedicated standalone browser setup can prevent browser extensions from slowing down the page. I can simply search for ChatGPT in my operating system's search bar, open the progressive web app version, and continue working smoothly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.